Today we're going to be talking about how you can monetize your sewing skills or your fashion design skills and make some money in 2025 on those skills. Guys, welcome to my channel once again. Today is going to be an interesting money making tutorial. There's no tutorials for today's video. If you're new to this channel, I share a lot of tutorials and teach a lot of budding fashion designers on how to take their skills from basic to classic. So please, if this is something that you are interested in, subscribe to this channel. Also turn on the notification bell. That's really important so that you can get notified anytime a video drops. I don't think there's any secret to it in this day and age anymore. That the secret to making money through your skills is through social media. And even so, your fashion skills as well. So if you're in a place where you just graduated from fashion school and you don't really know where to take your design skills next, or probably you were able to diligently sacrifice the time and the effort to learn yourself how to sew, and this year is the year in which you want to launch out, start a business, or start something in which you can use those skills to make money. I'm happy to tell you that social media has, given room to everybody, you know. And don't think that the market is oversaturated, because I will tell you that you still find your own customers, you still find your own clients. Even if you feel like, oh, there are too many tailors out there, how am I going to create a name for myself? How am I going to craft a niche for myself? There's more than enough room for 1,000,001 designers to still make money. The truth is, you have to leverage social media, TikTok and Instagram. In Nigeria, I know TikTok is a really viable tool to make money as a designer. You go on TikTok today, in the Nigerian TikTok space, and you see so many designers out there, even down to people who are just making like scrunchies or like turbans or simple hair ties. They make a lot of money on TikTok. So the simplest thing that you can do for yourself this year is to just get yourself and get your business on TikTok or Instagram, because that's the easiest way. Anybody can see your market. Once your product is good, you just have to make sure that your product and your item that you want to put out for sale is good. Make sure that it's perfectly sewn, everything is neat, well organized. Someone can see it and say, oh, okay, I can pay a certain amount for this thing, I can pay this certain amount for this thing. Let it look good. Package your products and put it online, put it on TikTok, put it on Instagram, put it on your WhatsApp stories, your WhatsApp status, sorry, no stories. As long as you have a good product, your customer base will find you. It might take a little while, it might take a little time, but you have to be ready, and you have to be sorry, you have to be ready and you have to be consistent with it. Always be posting. If you have your TikTok account, just put a fancy song or a song that is trending, where everybody's, the song is going viral and everything. Put your product on it and put it online. And do this every day. Do this every day. And before you know it, it just catches on. So the secrets to any success in fashion in this day and age, I want to tell you, is social media. There's no other thing. If you guys were expecting I was going to tell you something so secretive, I'm sorry to burst your bubbles, but this is the secret that is not a secret. It's still a secret in a way, because people who are doing it and are successful at it will not come and tell you that, see, I'm making so amount from this business. So I'm making so amount from this business I opened on TikTok. Oh. Nobody will tell you that. That's why it's a secret. Or how did I put it? It's a secret that's not a secret. I mean, someone out there outside might be looking at it that, it's not TikTok, it's not Instagram. What is going on then? They are not making money. See, let me tell you, people are putting their fashion skills out there and are making it through social media. Your business just needs visibility and just needs stand. You just need to continue to put those products out there and continue to make your work look good every single time. You might not have anything, you might not have much money, but the little money that you have, you can just gather it, get some fabrics, just you have a phone, get some fabrics, sew it, iron it nicely, package it, use it to create content on TikTok and Instagram. You're able to do this for a month and you're consistent. Before you know it, people will begin to order. So guys, I just want to encourage you designers out there. I know that it's not easy with inflation and the economic situation everywhere. Like, I know it's not easy, but even if you just had the capacity to save a little money, no matter how much it is, just save it, 10,000 naira, just gather it together, make something. Even if you want to go into ready to wear or whatever, it could be just one piece of clothing. It could be just one cloth. You make it very nicely. No, it could just be one Ankara fabric or one Akara fabric and then chantilly lace, and then you just use it to create something beautiful and put it online. If your work is good and you're consistent with social media, you get the recognition you deserve. So this is just going to be a motivational video, and I just want to encourage you guys that you should stay true to what you're doing. Stay sick to what you're doing, and it's going to pay you. Thank you so much guys for listening. Please guys, subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification bell and also leave a like for this video so that you can continue to receive notifications anytime videos like these drop. I would also like to hear from you guys in the comment section. What way do you plan to improve on your fashion skills, or what way do you plan to monetize your fashion skills in this year 2025? What do you think about this conversation I just had about TikTok and social media platform? Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one.